Okay, I got it pre-drilled, a little bit of an angle. Like I said, I am no expert here. I'm probably going to hurt myself again. So right. Fits in like so. Hey, ta-da! My first rain gutter. Look at that. Pretty dang excited. It only took me 20 minutes to put up a little 3-foot section of rain gutter. I'm glad I could amuse myself. Alright, I'm going to get the brackets put on, I guess, to hold it in place. Let's see. Well, the good thing is this pack came with 4 brackets, so I should be able to do the other side. I guess that fits in like that. Oh, I guess so. And yeah, didn't look. Yeah, nothing's easy with me. You're not going to want to fit now, are you? Okay, here we go. I got this little elbow, flex elbow, that's what it's called, and expandable. So once I bring my rain barrel over here, I'll I guess do a couple screws so that it stays on, I guess, you know, here and here, and that should go into the rain barrel and collect my water. So, my first rain gutter, yay!